Hey everyone, we'll be solving a question from CODECHEF Starters 159 called Card Games. It's a fairly easy question. In this question, you will be given a number n which says the number of cards and a number x which is the card number thrown by chef. You need to output the number of pairs that x can make with the remaining numbers so that the sum is even. So let's analyze all the possible cases. So case number 1 will be n being odd and x being odd. Let's take n as 5. So 5 cards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's take x is equal to 3. Now x is already taken by chef. The only pair that can make an odd number even is an odd number itself. So in this group you are left with 1 and 5. So you have 2 odd numbers left. So the answer will be 2. Case 2 will be n being odd and x being even. So let's take n as 5 itself and x as 2. So if chef takes 2, which is an even number, you can make the sum even with only another even number. So an even number left in the group is 4. So the answer is 1. Case number 3 will be n being even and x being odd. Let's take n is equal to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and x equals 1. So you have taken an odd number and you need another odd number to make a pair of even sum. So you can take 3 and 5. So the answer will be 2. And the fourth case will be n being even and x being even. So let's take n is equal to 6 and x is equal to 2. So if chef takes 2, then to make the sum even you are left with 4 and 6. So the answer will be 2. So you can see in every case except case 1, the answer is n by 2 minus 1, and in the first case when both are odd, it's n by 2. That is because if you have an odd number and you select, there are more number of odd numbers than even, and if you take one odd out, you are left with n by 2 odds. But in the case of even, if you take an even number out, you are left with only n by 2 minus 1 even numbers left in the group. So the answer will be n by 2 minus 1. So let's code it. So the input format says first it gives an integer t, which is the number of test cases. Let's input t and run a loop for all the test cases. And inside the test cases we have to take 2 integers. The range is below 1000, so int is enough. So int n x, and let's input n and x. If n and x are odd, you are using a binary operator to find if it is odd. We'll output n by 2, and if it's not, we'll output n by 2 minus 1. Let's run it for the available test cases. So it gives the desired output, and let's submit. Thank you.